Hey everybody, what we got here is the Craftsman Under the Hood light, model CMCL090B. It has two settings for the lights. This is high. That's pretty good lighting up. That's a little low. You have off. The head does rotate, so it makes it cool for you can angle it in more. It's pretty bright underneath there. Rest of the shop lights are off in this area. So it definitely does a nice job. We are getting ready to drop the engine, the 5.3 in. And I figured I'd get the light out to see how it works. And it definitely lights the bay up quite a bit. With the overhead lights and this light, we'll have plenty of room. In about 15-20 minutes, I'm going to blow this whole area out, get it all cleaned up, and start dropping the engine. Later, folks.